Namaste, welcome.
welcome. MCQ on Operation Research. Question number 1. The word programming means. The answer is option 2, writing a computer code to solve the problem. Question number 2, linear programming is. The answer is option 3, both. Question number 3. In the context of linear programming problem, LPP, linearity means. The answer is option 3, both. Question number 4 are expressed in the form of inequalities or equations in ALPP. The answer is option 1, constraints. Question number 5. The objective functions and constraints are expressed as linear relationship between. The answer is option 4, all of the above. Question number 6. Decisions variables are. The answer is option 2, controllable. Question number 7. All the parameters in the linear programming model are assumed to be. The answer is option 2, known. Question number 8. Graphical method can be applied to solve ALPP when there are only dash variables. The answer is option 3, 2. Question number 9. If the feasible region of ALPP is an empty space, then the problem has dash solution. The answer is option 1, and feasible. Question number thus. If there are m original decision variable in ALPP and n slack or surplus variables are introduced, then the initial simplex table will have dash columns. The answer is option 1, meter plus n. Question number 11. The canonical form of LPP means. The answer is option 4, all of the above. Question number 12. A minimization problem can be converted into a maximization problem by changing the sign of coefficients in The. The answer is option 2, objective function. Question number 13. If in ALPP, the solution of a variable can be made infinitely large without violating the constraints, the solution is. The answer is option 2, unbounded. Question number 14. In maximization cases, dash is assigned to the artificial variables as their coefficients in the objective function for solving the problem using penalty method. The answer is option 2, negative m. Question number 15. In Simplex method, we add dash variables in the case of constraints with a quality sign. The answer is option 3, artificial variable. Question number 16. In Simplex method, if there is tie for incoming variable between a decision variable and a slack or surplus variable, dash should be selected. The answer is option 3, decision variable. Question number 17. If there are more than one optimum solution for the decision variables, the LPP solution is. The answer is option 3, alternative. Question number 18. A basic feasible solution of ALPP is said to be dash if at least one of the basic variable is 0. The answer is option 1, degenerate. Question number 19. Every LPP is associated with another LPP which is called its dash, whereas the original problem is called. The answer is option 1, primal and dual. Question number 20. As for maximization is assignment problem, the objective is to maximize the. The answer is option 1, profit.
Thank you. Like, follow and subscribe.